Imagine this: you are at the airport, bags packed, passport in hand, ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. You are about to study abroad, a journey that promises new experiences, friendships, and growth opportunities. But wait, are you truly prepared for this exciting chapter? Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, a hub where aspiring individuals come to unlock their full potential and achieve bigger dreams. Today, we are exploring the essential tips for traveling abroad as a student. Whether you are headed to the bustling streets of New York, the historic lanes of London, or the vibrant campuses of Tokyo, these tips will ensure your journey is smooth, safe, and enriching. Let's start with the basics. First and foremost, ensure that your visa, passport, and all university paperwork are in order. It might seem obvious, but you would be surprised how many students overlook this crucial step. A missing document can turn your dream trip into a nightmare. Check your visa requirements well in advance. Some countries have lengthy processing times, and you don't want to be left scrambling at the last minute. Visa processing times can vary significantly depending on the country and type of visa. Always check the latest information from official sources. For instance, if you are heading to the United States, you will need an F1 student visa, and the process can take several months. Start early, gather all required documents, and schedule your visa interview as soon as possible. Also, be prepared for the interview by reviewing common questions and practicing your answers. Make 2 copies of your passport, visa, and offer letter. Keep one set in your hand baggage and the other in your checked luggage. This way, you will have backups in case of an emergency. It is also a good idea to leave a set of copies with a trusted friend or family member back home. Next up, packing. Check how much luggage you are allowed to carry. Airlines can be quite strict with weight limits, and excess baggage fees can be costly. Ensure you pack some clothes and essential toiletries in your hand baggage. If your checked luggage is delayed, you'll still have what you need to get by. Pack smartly. Use packing cubes to organize your clothes and maximize space. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to prevent wrinkles and save space. Bring versatile clothing that you can mix and match. And don't forget to pack a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you need. Before you leave, get your medical checkups done early. Some universities require health clearance forms, and you will need to ensure you are up to date on vaccinations. For example, if you are going to a country where certain diseases are prevalent, you might need additional vaccinations. Your doctor can advise you on what is necessary based on your destination. Also, if you have any chronic health conditions, make sure to bring enough medication to last until you can get a local prescription. I had a friend who went to study in India and didn't realize she needed a typhoid vaccination. She had to scramble to get it last minute, which added unnecessary stress. Don't let that happen to you. Plan ahead. Be at the airport on time. International flights usually require you to check in at least 3 hours before departure. This gives you enough time to handle any unexpected issues and avoid the stress of rushing. Airports can be chaotic, especially during peak travel seasons. Give yourself plenty of time to check in, go through security, and find your gate. Bring something to keep you busy, like a book or music, while you wait. Medical insurance is a must-have before you leave. Healthcare can be expensive, and having insurance ensures you are covered in case of illness or accident. Research shows that nearly 30% of international students have faced unexpected medical expenses abroad. Look into student health insurance plans offered by your university or third-party providers. Make sure the plan covers medical emergencies, hospitalization, and routine care. Some countries require proof of insurance before issuing a student visa, so don't skip this step. Carry enough cash in the appropriate currency to last at least 1 month. Setting up a bank account in a new country can take time, and you don't want to be caught without access to funds. In addition to cash, bring a credit card that works internationally and has low or no foreign transaction fees. Notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid having your card blocked for suspicious activity. It's also wise to have a backup card in case of emergencies. Familiarize yourself with the laws and customs of the country you are going to. Understanding cultural norms and legal requirements helps you integrate smoothly and avoid any unintentional offenses. Learn about the local customs, traditions, and etiquette. For example, in Japan, it's customary to bow when greeting someone, and in many Middle Eastern countries, it's important to dress modestly. Being aware of these nuances shows respect and helps you make a positive impression. If you plan to work part-time, ensure you know the applicable laws. Some countries have strict regulations on student employment. For instance, in the UK, international students are typically allowed to work up to 20 hours per week during term time. Research the rules for your destination country. Some places require a separate work permit, while others have specific restrictions on the type of work you can do. Balancing work and studies can be challenging, so make sure your job doesn't interfere with your academic commitments. Once you are at university, keep in touch with the International Students Office. They are there to help you navigate your new environment, from academic issues to personal support. They can provide valuable resources and connect you with other international students. Join student organizations and clubs to meet new people and make friends. Getting involved in campus activities helps you build a support network and make the most of your university experience. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help when needed. Always have emergency contact numbers with you, including local emergency services, your country's embassy, and your university's emergency hotline. It's important to be prepared for any situation that might arise. Program these numbers into your phone and keep a written copy in your wallet or backpack. Knowing who to call in an emergency can make a significant difference in a crisis. Traveling abroad for your studies is an incredible opportunity for personal and professional growth. By being well prepared, you can make the most of your experience and focus on what is truly important, your education and the amazing journey ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow Fahtel Growth Tips for more interesting content on self-help, asset management, and traveling guides.